Yeah, people no don't know the boy King Style Boss. People remember for subscribe to my channel. Yeah, my YouTube channel, the hot one. You see it? We just have build it. Someone to just subscribe to it, yeah, for the latest and the newest updates. So people, today we have a story where we are look on Gold God and Marvin the Beast. Marvin the Beast brother, which is Money Beast. Yeah, the two of them now like a conflict with Gold God. I don't know, Gold God must say like he must say put them up in a place. You know, Virgin and Virgin stay like. You know what a problem be if a Nikisha kick out Marvin. You see, so them the other dog house stay. But like the dogs are like a issue with some brief thing. I'm still like man I put up man brief, so the boss them just issue them for leave. You see, cause I don't wanna see the thing go viral, it go around all about. So people me not really like this, so people just drop on a comment on this. Make me know what you think about this. You see it? Yeah.